How is everyone? For today's video, I'll be discussing about tampons. But before that, allow me to thank you to all my lovely and handsome subscriber out there. Thank you guys for your support. And yes, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you will find this video very helpful, please feel free to share and hit the like and press the bell button to get you notified on my next upload. For me to explain this topic clearly, guys, I might be mentioning or saying some words that you may not like. So if you are not open to any of these discussions or words, because maybe you might find it very private or confidential topic, please, you are free to skip this video and you can watch my other video instead. Before I'll go further, acknowledgement first, or should I say disclaimer. Well, obviously, I am not a doctor or a gynecology or OB-GYN or professional or expert of any related issue about this topic. So if you guys have any crucial questions regarding your vagina, or I will call it kalachuchi, then please, I suggest you to consult your professional doctors. I will show you guys 3 different sizes of tampons. So this one is small, obviously, and this one is small, this one is medium, and this one is large. Showing you again the medium and the large size. So ito po yung talagang clear nilang length. The medium size is like a little bit chunky, and this one is skinny pero mas mahaba, mas taas ba siya? Mas taas iyang size kaysa medium. Small size of tampons. This is for those who are not heavy flow like me. So if you are virgin out there, safe ka dito. Joke lang. For the medium size of tampons, these are for those who have normal flow. Normal flow is yung who can sustain their kalachuchi to wear nappies in 3 to 4 hours, within 3 to 4 hours. Those heavy flow, this is for the large one. Ngayon, heavy flow is those who cannot sustain their kalachuchi na bumabaha in 1 or even half an hour. So, yun yung mga heavy flow, yung kailangan na nilang mag-change after 30 minutes because, ayun, nagbaha na naman. Yun ang ibig kong sabihin. I'm pretty sure you know if you are heavy flow or not. Kasi malalaman nyo naman yan talaga, di ba? So, yun. Yung small is not for those who are not heavy flow. Normal is for those who can sustain 3 to 4 hours. And the large is for those heavy flow na kailangan mag-change every 30 minutes or 1 hour. Alright, guys, we'll show you the actual insertion. Charot. Naintriga kayo, ano? I mean, I will show you guys on how to use tampons. But I mean, not like in the actual kalachuchi, of course. Kapapatay tayo kay YouTube niyan. Before that, I know we all have our common questions like, nakakawala ba ito ng virginity? Anyway, so these are the common questions that we all have in mind, I'm pretty sure. Does tampon break hymen? I mean, hymen is the other word of virginity, guys. The answer is no. Tampons work just as well for girls who are virgins as they do for girls who have had sex. And even though using a tampon can occasionally cause a girl's hymen to stretch or tear, it does not cause a girl to lose her virginity. So next questions, when should girls start using tampons? It's possible for you to start using tampons as soon as you get your period, which could be as young as 10 for some girls. Last but not the least, question number 3, how to use tampons. So, ito na nga. Ito na ang moment na ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang tampons. Pero I know, guys, na most of us Filipinos, we use menstrual pad or napkin. And meron din isang menstrual cup na tinatawag na pwede din, pero hindi talaga ito common sa ating mga Pilipina kasi we are more on napkins. And yes, when I found these tampons, guys, it's really freshy. I feel like my kalachuchi don't have visitors, you know what I mean? So even I want to wear my bikinis, I can wear it even kalachuchi have visitors also. Kaso lang, may mga side effects din ito. I did a smear test last year with Doktora Tagapolot. Shout out to you, Doc. Thank you so much sa pag-care sa akin nung time na iyon. And yes, she told me that tampons are not meant for our type of labia majora. Labia minora. Ang hymen natin sa loob, guys, yung mga chemicals sa tampons is hindi daw siya fit sa atin. Or maybe there are tampons na manufactured siya na fit sa ating skin, or paano ba itawag dun? Basta may mga medical terms yun, but I know you get what I mean. Yes? I hope so. Nung kumamit ako, she found out that I have a slight infection and I take already a suppository for that and I'm fine. Just make sure that it's made in Philippines because I'm pretty sure that it's fit on our type of kalachuchi. Just make sure of that one, guys, because tampons in abroad, they are manufactured for those who are living in abroad. And we have different type of weather also. It will cause us infections. If I were to choose between napkins and tampons, guys, I would choose tampons. Why? It's because it can prevent the darkening of your crotch or yung singit nyo. And also, guys, pwede kayong makaligo ng dagat or swimming pool with tampons. I think that is all I can share. So if there is anything that I forgot to say or you still have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment box. So here it is. How to use tampons. You just have to twist this one. You see this arrow here? You just have to twist that one like that. And it will come out like this one, guys. As you can see, may tail siya or sinolid. The purpose of this sinolid is para makuha nyo pa siya pag-insert nyo sa tampon sa loob ni kalachuchi. Okay? And by the way, please, every time you touch this part, make sure that you wash your hands. Malinis talaga yung kamay nyo or sterile. Okay? Kay tanda, isod maninyo. Uy, it will stay longer in your kalachuchi. So, dapat talaga malinis yung kamay nyo. Mag-wash hands muna kayo bago kayo mag-touch sa tampons, okay? So, this is how you use it. Hold this one here, like that. So, ito na ngayon ang forma ng aking kamay, okay? Look. Look. Like that. So, ngayon, let's just pretend that this is your kalachuchi, okay? You insert this one. By the way, you have to bend a little bit para mag-stretch yung inyong hymen. So, mag-bend kayo konti sa CR kung saan kayo komportableng maglagay ng tampon sa kalachuchi nyo. Mag-bend kayo and then it will stretch your hymen. And then that is the time you will insert this one here. Okay? So, let's just say ganyan. So let's just say you inserted it already like that, like that, like that until you feel your labia minora sa inyong daliri. Okay, so let's just say you feel the labia minora o yung lips ng inyong kalachuchi, then that is the time that it's safe to let go. Like that. So it will be like this na. Dapat ito is nakalabas, okay? So, kung napifeel nyo na yung labia minora nyo dito, na part sa kamay nyo, it means it's safe. And you can also feel na safe na siya kasi hindi na siya sagabal pag maglakad kayo. Pero pag itong buntot niya is parang nakaganyan lang and it's not really totally inside, you can feel also the rashes. I mean, not rashes, yung parang may lumalabas sa kalachuchi nyo. Kaya, make sure na talagang nakapasok siyang ganyan. Alright? I hope it's very clear, guys. That's all I can show you. Kasi hindi naman nga pwede, diba, sa original kalachuchi natin. So, anyway, if you have any questions and clarifications, kung ano pa dyan, please feel free to comment below. And I would be happy to share with you also my experience. Before I will end this video, please guys drink plenty of water and stay safe everyone, and God bless us all. Bye bye.